Today we are going to start chapter number 2, part 6, that is utilization and economic importance of pteridophytes. In this chapter we must see utilization of pteridophytes as a food, as a medicine, as a fodder, ornamental and horticulture use, as a biofertilizer, as a indicator plants and other uses. So first we see the introduction about utilization of pteridophytes. The economic importance of pteridophytes is not well documented because due to attention has not been given towards their use in human welfare. However, there are many reports on their uses, especially as a food plants, medicine plants and horticultural plants. Some of the aspects of economic importance of pteridophyte are given below. Utilization and economic importance of pteridophytes used as food. The young leaf tip of fern, the Sarsenet tyaxis, are used as vegetables. The young fronds of Prolifera are sold in markets as different uses. In India and Bangladesh, leaves of Marsilea, commonly called Susni, are used as vegetables. The rhizome of many ferns such as pteris, rich in starch, is used as food. The corm modified stem, that is Isoetus, is used as a food by pigs, ducks and other animals. Pteridophytes are used as a fodder. Dry fronds of many ferns like ferns from the livestock for cattle. The quadruped lamina of Marsilea resembles a clove. Trifolium has been used as a fodder for animals as a substitute for clovers. Okay. Then utilization and economic importance of pteridophytes in ethnomedicines. The rhizome paste Angiopteryopsida is applied externally in case of bone fracture along with some other plants. The poultice is applied externally on the broken or fractured parts of bone to get cured. This treatment is given to the patient every 3 days of regular intervals for a period of 30 days. Apical part of caudex is cut into pieces and boiled with water till the content becomes half. This extract is applied locally over carbuncles twice a day to get relief from pain. At the same time, the abscess dried up within a week. Then next point, that is the Lycopodium syrianum. The whole plant is pounded and the paste prepared, so applied externally over the cut portion to reduce swelling and itching. Rachis of Lycopodium tied over forehead to reduce headache. The same when tied on hand to be secured from evil spirit. About 20 gram paste obtained by crushing fresh rhizome of Microsorium along with seeds of Piper nigrum is taken orally to cure cough and cold. It should be taken thrice a day till the disease is cured. Cold decoction of peony is used as a mouthwash during acute pyorrhea. 2 to 3 wash is given a day till it is cured. Fronds of Pteris ensiformis pounded to paste with water, applied locally twice a day during swelling of joints till it is cured. Then utilization and economic importance of pteridophytes as ornamental plants. The following pteridophytes are cultivated in gardens as ornamental plants for their beautiful appearance, such as Nephrolepis excelta, Pteris vittata, then Psilotum nodum, then Lycopodium felgarius, then Silaginella bryoptis, sold as resection plants which rejuvenate in contact with water. Okay. Then pteridophytes used as biofertilizers. Azolla is a free floating water fern which can multiply very quickly through vegetative propagation. There is hundreds of moss-like leaves harboring leaf colonies of dinitrogen fixer cyanobacterium, Anabaena azulli. The relationship between the algae and azolla is symbiotic where the alga provides nitrogen to the plants. Thus, azolla is in full bloom in the waterlogged rice field, served as a green manure. Rice farmers of our country are using azolla as a biofertilizer for the better production of their crops. Okay. Then pteridophyte used as indicator plants. Like angiosperms, pteridophytes are being used as indicator plants. Equisetum accumulate minerals, especially gold, in their stem. The rate of accumulation even reaches up to 4.5 per tons. Equisetum may be referred to as gold indicator plants, which helps in searching a region for gold or deposits. Similarly, indicators of nickel and actinopteris is a cobalt indicator plants. Thus, these plants are found to be valuable in prospecting for new depositions. Okay. Then next, pteridophytes used for various purposes. There are various applications of pteridophytes. The stem of Equisetum was used for polishing wood in ancient times and to clean utensils. The roots and stems of Osmunda are used to make